So let us break down all changes related to MGT7 or MGT7A. There is no link form, whereas there is one link certification of MGT8 in the form. Debenture holder list or shareholder list has to be reported in Excel format, not in PDF. Similarly, board meeting, shareholder meeting, or committee meeting data details has to be given in Excel format, not in PDF format. On the other hand, interior and exterior photo of registered address of the company has to be attached. Director photo has to be attached. There is one designated table of beneficial ownership given in this form. Company detail, that is name and registered address of the company as at the beginning and at the end of the year, has to be reported in the form. Any company which is under liquidation has to file MGT7 or MGT7A. Now, MGT7 overall has to be of 300 MB, whereas attachment has to be of 20 MB each. Shareholder list of the company or debenture holder list will not be a public document anymore. We also have to report whether the MGT7 which is being filed is revised form or is original. If in case it is a revised form, then SRN of original form has to be given in the form. In page number 1 of MGT7 form, sub-point 2 has been inculcated, that is financial year at the beginning and financial year at the end is to be given. Type of annual filing, that is whether the MGT7 is filed freshly or as a revised form. If in case it is a revised form, then SRN of original form is required to be mentioned. Thereafter, details such as name and registered office of the company at the beginning and at the end is to be mentioned, capturing any changes made during the year. Further, longitude, latitude, and external internal photograph of the registered office has to be mentioned. In page number 2, in case of extension of AGM, SRN of filed GNL1 form is required to be filled. Next, there is no change in page 3, whereas in page number 4, ISIN of the equity shares of the company is required to be given. In page number 5, detailed list of shares or debenture transfer is required to be attached. Thereafter, there is no change in page number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, whereas in page number 11, Excel template of list of share or debenture holder has to be given. No PDF is required anymore. Thereafter, MGT8 certification is required in the form itself by giving the details of the professional giving certification, also detail of director such as name and DIN who has called for certification. Further, no list of share or debenture will now be publicly available, same like PS3 safeguarding interest of companies. Lastly, maximum size of overall form should be 300 MB, whereas each attachment cannot be of more than 20 MB.